Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can play Roblox with a PS4 controller on PC. Unfortunately, our PlayStation controller isn't natively supported for our Windows computer, only the Xbox One are. So to go ahead and play basically any game on your computer using your PlayStation controller is to download DS4 Windows on your computer. So just first search for DS4 on your web browser. And from here, we will be able to use our PlayStations like PlayStation 4 or 5 to play with our games. Click on the download button. And from here, once again, you then want to go ahead and select your version. Click on the download button. Open up the file that we have downloaded. And from here, you then want to extract it right here. Now to simply install the application, just click on the ds4windows.exe, click on the download it now button, and from there we then have to download some additional requirements in order to use DS4 on our Windows without any problems. And the first one is going to be the Microsoft runtime right here. So just install this program. Click on the install button. And right after that, you then have to open the S4 Windows once more. So from here, it's as simple as clicking the program folder, click on the close button, and from there we are now ready to use DS4 on our Windows computer. So the first step is installing VGM bus driver. So just click on the button right here, click on next, I agree, next, and install. Click on finish, and right after that, the other step is basically optional. So all you have to do is to click on the X button, and there you have it. The next thing that you want to do is to make sure that the VGM bus is installed to your device. To do this, you just want to go ahead and restart your computer, and from there, the VGM will now apply on the dual or the DS4 Windows application. So the next thing that you want to do is to go ahead and connect your controller via Bluetooth or cable. And from there, we can now go ahead and basically play any game, including Roblox, on our Windows computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.